How are we doing, guys? Right then, we are now back with our pattern details. This is, I got this done, but I did it in my, it was like done in my lounge, and I did trim it in my back garden on the decking. And because I'm here today, because I've just done some live sessions, I've decided that I'm going to just re-record them. Well, I've got space, I can do a little bit more detail, and just, it looks a little bit better, aesthetics and all that. So we're going to start with the beginning bit of Hwa-Rang, this is detail number 1, and we're going to cover the first 2 opening combinations, okay? As well as the my chumbi, we'll go over that as well. Okay, so your chariot, bow, into your chumbi, and then it goes. This is the first one where both hands are open from my chumbi, so usually we have one hand closed on the inside, and it's always your right hand that's on the inside. For this, right hand still dominant, i.e. closed hand is dominant as against open, because they're both open. Right hand is dominant, so it goes on top. Okay, so in, right hand over left, up, down. I do notice what I'm doing, I'm looking a little bit closer. I kind of interlock my thumbs, hands go on top of each other like that, okay, but they are open, flat, like chop knife hands. People have a tendency to cut, they try and hold one hand like that, and it looks, or do this, and it looks really messy. Okay, so please don't. Okay, nice, bladed, clean, crisp hand shapes, please. Okay. Come in, up, down, here. Same like that, pull up to pull down, okay, as like taking a chung gun. Okay. We go to our left with our left hand in a claw shape. We are not open hand, okay, in a claw hand, okay, just so you know. Okay, here is where we're going to our left. We do not just step into it, okay, we drop. You have a little tilt, and then it's like you're catching the fall, okay. So you've got a little drop, and then into that step. Don't just step out into it. Okay? In and here. Standing up straight, horse stance, claw. As soon as we're here, 1 punch, 2 punch. Okay? Left hand, right hand, left hand. Okay? Right foot moves into a back stance. My back stance goes that way. Right foot, double closed hand block, or you should know double block. Okay? So we know that we have this. That, like I say, this is essentially an upper block and an outward middle block, which you should know by now. Okay, from there, this one is going to drag in, my front hand drags into my shoulder, and this one comes in for an uppercut. Okay. When we did one yo, this opened and came to here. Okay, and it went around and neck chop. Okay, this is the same position. Okay, hand shape is the difference, okay, that's it. But rather than dragging them in and chopping them in the neck, okay, we're dragging them in and belting them under the jaw, okay, comes around here, okay, that tucks in tight onto the collarbone, okay, it's not on the chest, okay, it's up here, same place we stick a knife block fold, same place we had it for this, okay, that's where it belongs, okay. The one that's on the chest, then recoils to my rib, front stance, punch. Okay? Notice the stance changes. Okay? Once I've gone here, horse stance, bam bam. Back stance, recoil, shift into my front stance. Front leg then pushes right back, L-shaped feet, chop. Okay? I don't mind if you recoil it high to chop. Okay, that's fine. Personally, I prefer it, only because some people have this tendency to go, and it's like a little wrist thing. There's nothing behind that, that's not what we're after. But on the same token, I don't want people going like that. Yeah, doing some big like windmill. Okay, something in between is what I'm after. Okay, so we go out of that punch, we draw it, and as my heels come together, L-shaped feet, drop. Also notice, like when we talk about our down blocks, and in those double fist blocks, I do not straighten my arm completely. Okay? Do not straighten it completely. I am not going like that. Again, it's very difficult because, again, half the muscles of your arm aren't engaged in that. To drive any power or anything into it at all, and it makes you look like some sort of car park barrier. Okay? It's not what we're after. Okay, we want strength and power as much as we can. So we go from that punch in, yeah, here, buff. Okay, That motion, you also notice, is not that much different from when we do this nose break. Okay? I know some people have got a little flurry. Chloe, if you're watching. Yeah, but it's high for this, and it's high for Hwa-Rang. Okay? We then step out with our left, big on lunge punch, front stance again. Okay? Now, I'll recap that again very, very quickly. I've kind of covered the details within that initial spiel anyway. Okay, it's all stance work and just being conscious of your arm movements, because it is a complex combination compared to stuff you've done in the past. Like Do San, 1, 2. Yeah, 1 yo, 1, 2, 3, all in the same stance. This is different. Okay, this is 5 moves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in 4 stances. Yeah, 5 moves, 4 stances. That is a much more complex chunk of movement to be getting on with at the beginning of the pattern. So be aware of that. Okay, ready? So you go chumbi, carry on, wow, back to chumbi, into my chumbi, we're going that way. So we drop in, catch, horse stance, bear claw, 2 punches straight down your centre line, solar plexus, we're not punching in the neck or face. Okay, right foot steps out into this back stance, double block, uppercut, punch, into that chop, and then set out punch. Okay, try and be neat, try and be clean. Okay, you're now at a point like we've done tegeis out there already, a bit of an awkward pattern. Okay, but these are for our level 3s. These are our brown belts that are going on towards their black belts. This is, 2 grades from black belt. Second cue, then after this is first cue, and then it's first down. Okay, you're right at the top of the tree here when it comes to colour belts. Sorry, I'm trying not to be pointy. So it means that it's at this level, it's not enough to just know the movements. Okay, we want to make sure you guys are quick per move. You understand about your pattern timings. You understand that you must drive strength and power into your techniques. Okay, lots of this stuff comes from hip, shoulder, waist movement. You're not just going, here is my hand, yeah, because it looks rubbish. Okay. If you're like a red belt doing chunji, we can, it's fine if you're just trying to remember the stuff. Okay? But if you're a higher grade, we really, really want you guys really to bang stuff in. Yeah? Power, force, speed, accuracy, all those things. Yeah? Again, my guys know about what we call the 4 pillars. Okay? Speed, power, accuracy, and technique. Okay? All 4 of those things need to be in place to make your moves, I call them moves, so I don't say the word technique twice, yeah, as good as they can be. As soon as one pillar drops out, the whole thing is weakened, okay, and it's really difficult to kind of overcompensate on something else, okay. It's really difficult to, if you're not fast on a technique, on a move, should I say, if you're not fast, you can't overcompensate on strength, yeah. Because if it's 120% strong but slow, it's still rubbish. Yeah, going, yeah, it doesn't work. Okay, just same as accuracy. You could be fast, you could be strong, your technique could be good in terms of the actual move itself. But if your punch goes, yeah, and you're looking like something like Saturday Night Fever, useless. Okay, that's more Freddie Mercury, to be honest. Anyway, shows I've watched Bohemian Rhapsody recently. Your techniques at this level have to have all 4 pillars, okay? Strength, speed, accuracy, technique, okay? So make sure you're trying to be as sharp, as strong, as quick, and as focused as possible. Focus definitely comes into technique, yeah? If your moves are good, but you're, what are they doing? Hey? Hey? Doesn't work either, okay? Thank you very much. That's detail number 1 for Hwa-Rang. And then we'll move on to detail number 2, strangely enough. Have fun.